klaseng pag-ibig meron ka sa bawat isa? Why? Because charity shall cover the multitude of sin. I accept you, your imperfections, your defects, because of the love of Jesus Christ. You'll also accept me that way. Hindi ka nagmamalaki na mas marami siyang defect eh. It has become natural that we ought to love people who are not saved, who are not believers in Christ. But how about imperfect believers who can do anything wrong anytime? Are we going to accept them, renew them, correct them, rebuke them, or leave them alone? Ang ating Panginoon, when He knew He cannot anymore correct or rebuke someone else, ang sabi ng Bible, the Lord left them alone. Sa Galatians 6:1, nung sinabi ni Apostle Paul dito, the love of Christ pa rin yan eh, di ba? If a man be overtaken in a fault, ye which are what? Spiritual. Restore such an one in the spirit of what? Meekness. Considering thyself, lest thou also be tempted.